Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got some little mini LED Christmas lights. I thought these would be cool going on a trip here in a few minutes. So I thought, hey, this will be fun to take with us, and we can, I don't know, put them on the door of the hotel or something, I don't know. Let's see what they look like here. So it's just a tiny little bag here. There's 2 sets, and it comes with everything it needs, really. So this is it. So it's got that, and then you just turn it on, and there you go. You got some little lights. So it's pretty sweet. It's got a little string of lights. I don't even know. I'm gonna open it up anyways here. But you can see it's just a bunch of lights on a little thing. So pretty sweet, simple concept. Nice, and it's LED and just super portable. So I'm just sticking them in my luggage to take with us. So thumbs up for me if you want to pick up some of these. This is what it looks like here. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.